In this video I'm going to show you whether you can archive reels on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram. Here, as you see, I got a reel, and unfortunately there are no exact option of archiving that reel as you can do with a post, but there is some simple trick how you can hide this reel from your post's feed if you want. So, if you want to hide the reel from here, all you have to do is just hold down on that reel. It gives us that options, and here just tap on remove from profile grid to hide that reel from here. You can also find your reel in that tab. Just hit at that reels tab and that reel would be here. And now if you want to hide it even from here, all you have to do is open up that reel and here tap at this three dots icon. Now you can save this reel to camera roll. Just hit there at save button, and after that you can hit there where it says delete to delete your reel from your Instagram profile. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.